crazy cause I'm speeding it like.
What's up everybody, Michael here, welcome back to another video, and happy holidays everybody. This is the Christmas special video that I promised. I got a very special video for you guys today, because today we're going to look at something that I have been eager to get my hands on, and it is finally here. Now, I am a little bit out of breath, because it is early morning, and I have work, but for a while now, I have been trying to get a hold of this wireless charger. Now, you guys know AirPower was supposed to come out over a year ago, and it doesn't look... Sorry guys. It doesn't look like we'll be seeing it anytime soon. But however, there is one company, XVITA, who has come out of the blue with their own take on a wireless charging mat, and they may have the upper hand in this charging war. Everyone's trying to outbeat AirPower. Samsung did it, and a couple of other companies, but this one has a feature in here for Apple users that may be the AirPower equivalent that they are looking for. So today we're going to take a look at the XVITA Triple Power 3-in-1 charger. It charges 2 phones, which is why I have in this video 2 iPhones and an Apple Watch. So we're going to take a look at that, and I will show you this product. I will even review it. So it's a 2-in-1, unboxing and review. So let us open it up. Got the handy knife. Watch your hands. There we go. Now, packaging took me a couple days. It said it was going to come on Monday, but it came earlier, so I was very happy about that. And here it is. Now I'm going to throw this away. Comes in a nice little cardboard box, kind of standard at this point. There's no fancy packaging, but it says here XVITA Triple Power Wireless Charger. Let's open this up. And there it is, the wireless charging mat. In the box we get here, let me make sure you guys are seeing this correctly. Oh, yeah, you know what, like that. So we get here a little information about XVITA. They give you a little code. So I probably may not use it, but you never know. What else do we have in here? We have the charging mat as well, which is very thin. It's actually incredibly thin. That is a shocker. It's made out of anodized aluminum, which is very nice material. It's not hefty, actually. It's very light. And yeah, it's surprising. Funny thing, interesting, this charger uses USB Type-C, which is very good, which is what I am a fan of. Has grips on the bottom. In the bottom here, because we also have some paperwork. Just go put this stuff away. So, looking at it further, we have our paperwork. It tells you how it works, what kind of wattage you needed, how it does. So this has a 10-watt charger for Samsung phones. You have a 5-watt charger for the iPhone, or you can put your iPhone there, and you have a 5-watt or a 5-volt for the Apple Watch. So, it gives the breakdown right there. That's that. And also, we have the USB Type-C brick. Comes in this charger here. You don't have to use this one. This does feel a little cheap, especially this piece. But you can use almost anything else. You can use a MacBook Pro charger. They have said that you can use it, and I've seen comments online saying you can. So that's good to know. So let us put this box away. Overall, presentation is not bad, but let's get into the review. So the review of this charger, it is here. So on the top, you see here XVITA. Can't see too much with the glare from the light, but you can see XVITA says here 10 watts, so you know which one you're getting. Apple Watch and 5 watts. And the feel of this is really nice. I like it a lot. The only complaint I have is this charger. This feels incredibly cheap, especially this piece right here. I really hope they improve the quality of the charger, because it does feel a little cheap, but you can use anything else as long as it matches the voltage. This is 240 volt, 60 hertz. So you could probably just swap it for a MacBook Pro charger, which is probably what I will end up probably doing, since mine is a 61 or 89 watt, I think 81, something like that. I'm too tired to check. But, I mean, I'll see if I bring it with me. It's one cable to rule it all. But, yeah. So this is the brick, and here's the charger. So let's plug it in. Now, and it gives you a light indicator that it's working, which is alright. We plug it in, and boom. That's it. So now let's try it out. So first thing we're going to do is see if this thing actually works. So we're going to put it this way. Don't worry, I'll fix the camera angle. So, first phone up, the 10-watt charger. That's one. Then we have iPhone, or sorry, wrong way. Boom, and Apple Watch. Hold on a second, let's try that again. Oh, that's right, I turned it off. Alright, we'll try that one after. But yes, this is it. So it is charging both devices right now. The pad is pulling in on the fast charger and the low charger, as you saw. Now you can put it anywhere on the pad you want to get your charging. See, it charges automatically. So you can just slap it down. And I think that's the one thing I think that they need to work on. Well, they do sell a case where you can buy it. It's a magnetic case and it locks into place where you get the wireless charging. We're going to wait for the Apple Watch. But yes, it is charging right now, as you can see. I have this on the 10-watt charger and on the 5-watt. Now, if you guys are concerned, you're saying, oh, is it, it says it comes with surge protection. And it is Qi certified, which I will pull up the website to show you guys. This is really cool. I am actually kind of shocked, but also like amazed at how they've been able to pull this off. Xvita is promising that the charging pad can charge these 3 devices, even though you will see a little bit slower because you're using all 3 of them at the same time. You can use them all at the same time, and it's best recommended to do it when you go to sleep at night. And yeah, so you just, you put it down and boom, charges. And then when the Apple Watch turns on, we'll check that out. Now, this is the website. I will try to focus it in so you guys can see it. So this is the website where I bought it from. I will leave the link in the description. This is the charging pad. And it says here that, and there you go, that phone is done. Now let's give it a couple seconds. Oh, wait, sorry. Let's try the other one. There we go. Oh, okay, so my mom's phone is on the charging. It does look like it does pause in between, probably because it's giving too much power. But as long as the device can take it in, that's, I guess, is fine. And finally, let's see what it says here. So not only does it say that it is surge protection, but it also has magnetic locking. So if you have a magnetic case that you have from the company, it will work with this thing perfectly. But the key selling points that I'm trying to find here for you guys real fast, and then I'll give my overall review. And oh yeah, Apple Watch. Bam. That is really cool. Now the cool thing with the Apple Watch, it locks in automatically with the magnet, so it already gets its charging spot. But we don't need to charge it now. We can pull these off the mat. And yeah, that's it. So yeah, that is pretty much it. So that is the Xvita wireless charging mat. Not too much of a big review as I was hoping to do, but honestly, it's a great product. I can see a lot of use for it right now. It is probably one of the coolest, if not the most interesting devices that I've picked up. So I think I am going to try it out for when I'm on vacation. I will definitely be putting my phone and stuff on it. And yeah, so I'm looking forward to using this device when I'm on vacation. I am really shocked at how thin this thing is. It feels so light and it's so sleek. I like this design, so I give them props on design. My only thing that I wasn't a big fan of was the cable. That is the only complaint that I have with the whole iPhone, the whole iPhone experience. Even though you can use USB Type-C, I just think that the brick is it's made out of plastic, and it feels really shaky, especially this part at the end. It feels like it's gonna just pop out. So I really hope that they improve on the cable quality. But overall, I think that this is a pretty cool device. You should definitely consider picking it up if you are a person that uses more than one device. Let's say you have a family or a wife or whoever. And let's say, you have an Apple Watch, you all like Apple, so you could probably pick this up, and it's relatively inexpensive. It is $39. Right now, it's limited sale, so definitely try to pick it up. I'll leave a link in the description for this charge only. So that is it for this video. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Sorry if this wasn't your typical review, but I just wanted to show it off. And one more time, let's put them on display one last time. Put the phone down. I think the wireless charging works faster on the iPhone. I don't know why. There we go, and Apple Watch. And boom, all are charging. So that is the key thing. I think the key seller for this is the Apple Watch charger integrated into the thing itself. I like that idea. So that's all I gotta say about that. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know if you like this type of charger. And also Samsung phones, they do turn off when they're done, so yeah, that's probably why it's not. My iPhone is still charging. It hasn't been charged all night anyway. That was my bad. And Apple Watch, I don't need to charge it. So that's gonna do it. Thanks for watching, and peace.